Okay guys, to get to the heart of this heated debate, I sent my team on a mission to go and fetch the same vegetables in different places, and then we're comparing prices and flavor and the whole experience of it all. So that's what's going on.
So today we're shopping at Costco.
So today I'm shopping at IGA.
So for this little mission, I decided to go to a little supermarket that is in the corner of our regular residential neighborhood. Est-ce qu'on l'étale sur la table?
Okay guys, so you all got your things. Show me what you got.
That means Costco.
Start with Costco, because Costco is the
I
place.
haven't been to Costco since like 15 years.
Yeah.
So I don't remember the experience, you know?
Yeah.
So I got there Monday morning. I was like, oh, nobody's gonna be there. I arrive in the parking and there's like a sea of people in
It's
cars.
full.
It's full on the Monday morning. And I'm like, nobody's working here. And then you go inside and I called my dad because I'm not 50, so I'm not allowed to be a member, you know? So I called my dad, Dad, can you come with me? You're a member? He was like, yes! It was like his favorite
Super
activity, you know? Super excited. So I was like, okay, Daddy, let's do a little party at Costco together. So we went there, take these big carts, go in, and at the second I go in, I feel super stressed. I'm like, we're in the sea of people. Everybody's like this. Everybody's almost running. You know, I'm like, oh, chill. And then I was like, this is a crazy experience.
Yeah.
So we go at the back. There's these piles of huge like boxes with bunch of produce in them. And I don't know, I'm not used to it. You know, I go to the farmer's market. So I was like impressed by that. It was like the scale of it.
Yeah.
And then there's this huge like cold room. It's like 10 degrees. My father's like, I don't want to go there. It's too cold for me. And so I went in, took the salads, bunch of things, and look at that.
Yeah, at Costco, the idea is that you get volume for a better price. They always say super good quality.
Yeah.
That's what's supposed to be. So these are the salads, these are hydroponic.
And there's a lot of things that came from Quebec. So this is from Quebec. So
This is the future of farming. Yeah, organic farming, this is the future. Hydroponic salads in warehouses. Okay, so it looks fresh.
Like water.
Looks fresh. Looks like a regular salad. Here, you got those sweet baby carrots from Guatemala.
Look at that. They're already peeled.
Peeled.
And in any case, I wanted to take the best option, the most organic one, the smallest version I could find. That was the goal. These are the only organic things that I found.
How much for that? Do you remember?
I think it was like $9 for that amount of tomatoes. And they're from Quebec as well.
Ew.
Let's try.
Sun grown. So these are hydroponics also.
Also,
Flavorless.
Yeah, okay. Crunchy.
but this is the best.
This is interesting.
This is the best. So that was, I was looking for green onions.
Mexico.
Mexico, look at the size of this bag.
Do you remember what the price of that was?
I believe it was $6.99. I'm not sure.
Yeah, not bad.
So big bunch.
That was organic.
Yes, $6.99.
That's organic,
for
but-
this.
Okay.
But just like the transport for them, these are the zucchinis. Again from Quebec.
Okay, from Quebec.
Big batch. These were $4.99.
Okay.
And this is what?
Yeah, this is the worst.
Yeah.
And this is the worst. This is from Quebec. You know, they have robots to weed.
Really?
Laser robots, yeah.
Ooh,
It's rotten already.
It's already rotten.
oh yeah, it smells.
It smells rotten.
It tastes rotten.
How much was that?
I don't remember.
Oh,
but it
it
was
smells
cheap
up
though.
to here. Oh
Yeah.
my goodness. Oh, that's
So
sad.
it's $3.99.
What,
Okay, so that's
what
cheap.
amount of weight?
$3.99 is cheap, but it's rotten. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you,
this-
sir.
This was $6.99.
Thank you for the
at
experience.
grocery store.
Really?
That was
Costco?
$6.99.
Costco made the deal.
Yeah.
Okay, Caro, where were
Okay,
you?
so I
What do you
went
have?
to IGA, which is a grocery store in
Yeah.
Quebec, quite popular grocery store. So I went in there. The aisle of organic produce was almost empty, so I was kind of scared not to find what I was having on my list. But I managed to find most of it, and to my surprise, some of them came from Quebec. So
Yeah.
it was organic, local.
Okay,
But what kind of disappointed me was the quality of the produce.
yeah,
So
I can see that already.
so here, in terms of my bunch of green onion, it's coming from Mexico. So first, a lot of travel for that bunch of onions, green onions. We're in the peak of summer. All I could find was
Beets
this-
without their tops.
yeah, exactly, already
That's terrible.
cooked beets. They're
Okay.
organic. They're coming from France. Can you imagine? I didn't know. Like, so yeah.
Okay.
This bag of carrots coming from
Yay.
USA.
Oh, they're
It's
not
organic.
even from
No, so in the peak of summer again. So that was, it's a bit of a shame. I see there's already some that are rotten, so that's sad. I'm allergic to raw carrots. Can you imagine? I can't taste it. So this was something great because you didn't have garlic scape. You didn't find that at Costco.
No.
I did find garlic scape from a local farm
Not so
at the
bad.
grocery store. $4.99. So looking forward to see how much you paid at farmer's market. Did you have some? No. Okay, so the only thing non-organic things that I couldn't find organic was this cabbage. Again, quite disappointing in
looks
summer. And those tomatoes.
How much?
This was $4.99, I believe. So where are they? So I think it was $4.99. And so yeah, and this salad. Is there something more like sad than
And
this?
an old iceberg salad.
Honestly, like super packaged. So again, like
This for me is very disappointing.
it is disappointing. Like, I mean, you'd say, oh, it was organic, but then it's really bad quality. And this is probably, I've bought them a few times.
Gen V.
Gen V, and they're not good quality. Like, honestly, you taste them, they don't taste good.
Hydroponic.
Yeah, it was $4.99 again, so probably a little less expensive than if you buy at farmer's market, but again, quality is not there. So it costed me $51 for all of this.
Okay, $51.
Yeah.
Okay.
Total. How much did it cost you?
Because
Costco, the-
$50, but I didn't find beets
Yeah.
and garlic scapes.
And,
And
you
you
got
have
these
bigger
rotten.
size.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on.
Let's move on to the farmer's market.
Grown here at the farm.
Definitely best option for me.
Okay.
My customer experience is that I come with my bike
Yeah.
from home,
Yeah.
biking, very happy, meeting the local farmer, which I really appreciate,
Yeah,
getting to
Angie.
know Angie, exactly, and meeting the community at the same time, chit-chatting. The shelf were full. Obviously, I arrived early. I found beautiful vegetables, all grown right here on site, so no transport, barely any packages, as you can see. Quality of the vegetables
That was
is
like-
really great.
How many days ago?
That was on Thursday, Thursday.
So it's already 3 days.
Yeah.
3 days.
It was on Thursday.
Okay. 4 days.
Yeah, exactly. Kept in the fridge.
Okay.
So you have also a beautiful cabbage here.
Yeah.
Look at that. All the leaves are still very, very nice compared to grocery shop,
Non-organic.
non-organic. You have those carrots. You wanna give it
No,
a bite?
No, I'm trying them.
You have them.
They're better.
Okay,
They're
I
much
want to
better.
try the cucumbers.
Yeah,
like-
yeah. Look at that. Look at those beautiful Lebanese cucumber.
What was the price difference?
Ooh,
Oh my god.
I think they were.
ça c'est.
Ah, ça, c'est pas bon ça.
That's
Non,
disappointing.
that's gross.
Ah, c'est pas bon.
Okay, they were $125 per unit. So I think there were 5
Okay.
or so.
So
Oh,
it's not the
oh
same.
my god. Beautiful, eh? Taste this one. Je vais essayer juste goûter la différence de celui-là.
How about these tomatoes?
It's like a burst of flavor compared to
How
this.
much were these tomatoes?
These tomatoes were 5.
$5?
$5?
So a bit less than this.
A bit less than this.
It's the same volume.
Yeah, exactly.
The quality
They're a bit
is not
bigger.
the same.
Non-organic, full package.
Wow, that's nice.
Keep that. I don't want it.
And this was more for the price for sure.
Yeah.
These guys.
Yeah,
But
But
they're
look,
like,
they look like
less tasty.
Yeah, these
can
are
I
nice.
taste?
Yeah.
Is
Can I
this
have
one
one?
like
wasn't
plums.
embraced?
You took mine.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, the big
Well,
okay.
we can
No,
share.
I want this. The yellow one, of course.
Wow. Uncomparable.
Okay. And how about your arugula?
Arugula
Yeah, we
is
can taste
still
it.
Is yours what?
quite fresh and crispy. For all of this, it was $4.
That's a good
Oh
price.
wow,
Well,
that's
compare.
less expensive. That was $5.99.
And it's
It's-
and you can
that's-
smell.
This one's rotten. This one's dead. This
Yeah,
one is.
this one is so good.
Already yellow.
Look at that, smell it.
Wow.
Yeah, there's no comparison.
Beautiful.
It's really
Okay.
nice. Stems are a bit
Super
long.
crispy.
Big stems.
Yeah,
I'll
big
talk
stems.
to Angie.
Yeah.
So that's
It's
okay.
250 grams.
Spicy. That
Yeah.
doesn't taste anything.
No.
Ça, ça a pas une-
Okay, how much for
The
your?
total was $49.57.
Okay, so around $50 also.
Around $50.
So less expensive than
Yeah.
than grocery store.
No
No, this
packaging.
is at least 10 times better than this.
And
No
it's less
packaging, no
expensive. So
transport.
are we debunking a myth here? Or are we doing this?
Last person. Last person.
we're doing
Parce que j'ai des trucs dans les dents.
No.
Parce que j'ai mangé
Okay,
de tout.
Tanya, where did you get this?
Okay, so I went to the little grocery that is just across the corner of my place.
In
It's
Montreal, so
in
it's-
Montreal, so neighborhood, regular residential neighborhood. It's a very little grocery shop, and as you can see, it's the festival of plastic.
Yeah,
It's like plastic everywhere. The only
but
thing
it's cheap
that
though. It's
is super cheap.
super cheap.
It's super cheap. And most of them are
Or-
kind of
or rotten.
local. Yeah, this one is. Most of them are kind of local this time. Is that good?
Wash. Sorry. Okay. I don't want to be
Yeah.
party
It's
pooper.
not gonna be on camera.
How did that taste, Jam?
It's terrible. I can't even swallow it.
Yeah, and this is supposed to be like from
Yeah,
Canada,
this is
Quebec.
from- yeah.
Quebec, but it's,
$2.99.
Yeah,
Greenhouse,
Is there
hydroponic.
a date? That's why it's
No, it's just they don't have. Yeah, you see, this one's rotten. They don't have the flavor. Taste it.
yeah.
And it's been to the fridge.
Okay. So that you got some beets.
Wait,
$2.99. That's not expensive.
Yeah. $2.99. So
is
everything.
it organic and local? There's
Like
nothing
most
written
of
on
them
top.
is like half of them are of the producers are local, either
But
from Quebec or from
non-organic.
Canada, but
Well, how
just
do you
like
know
3,
they're
4
local? How do you know?
because they say like from Quebec.
But here, all of these things
This is Quebec.
are it's written on.
Yeah.
So probably that they repackage these.
Actually, I think they buy in a distributor,
Yeah,
like a big distributor, and then they repackage everything in small
that's
batches.
nice. That's nice.
So they,
These
it's
are
the
nice.
only it's the only thing that they didn't have in plastic.
Yeah.
So
And the cabbage.
and the cabbage.
Okay.
It was the last one.
So this is probably the cheapest of them all. The lettuce is not very nice, but it's okay.
This I think is a little bit tired. I went at the end of the day, so but I know that it's like,
She had a big day.
holiday. I know they do a lot of rotation.
Ugh. Cells pourri, rotten,
Yeah.
Oh,
Same smell.
rotten,
sad.
rotten.
All this waste. Can you imagine?
So how much did you pay?
And you're buying for that.
35 and
Oh,
65.
so you're cheaper. The
Yeah.
cheapest one,
Yeah.
But you cannot eat
but
this.
it's not organic.
But it's full of plastic. So
They're
what's
the only
cost of
organic that we see is this rotten salads, and that's it. This
Yeah,
is
this-
not
no-
organic.
No,
Okay. Hmm.
not organic.
Okay, so non-organic, cheaper. Freshness, some yes. This looks good. This looks okay. This is semi-interesting. This is really cheap,
Yeah.
but they don't look super fresh. And these we haven't tasted them yet. Perhaps they're good, perhaps they're not. No,
Sont pas gros?
no.
They're tired.
Quite
What's your
surprised,
experience?
honestly. I'm super surprised because I thought this would be
A
quite
lot
more
expensive.
expensive, like I don't know, 10-15% more. So it's the same price as going to the grocery
To
store.
IGA. Yeah.
Maybe not the small grocery
Yeah.
store, but like in terms of quality, this is just so disappointing.
Usually a small grocery store is more expensive.
Yeah.
Like in small.
Yeah, but they buy in big
I think
bulk.
they buy like from a distributor, so already it's cheaper, but then it's coming from all over the world. And the thing is that these things are like everything is plastic, and there's no way you can buy it without plastic.
So la morale is know your farmer and make sure that you have a connection to get this kind of food, because this is probably 10 times more nutrients
Totally.
than all the others.
And remember, it was harvested last week.
So it's fresh.
Still,
but
it's still fresh, you know. It maintained its freshness all along.
And
Good
do,
job,
we,
Yang.
do you think, Jam, that it would be in the near future possible to have this kind of produced in a grocery store?
No.
No.
So the thing is, this kind of quality you'll never find in grocery stores because they only buy volumes.
Yeah.
So they buy volumes and then they redistribute to all their different shops. And so small farms will never be able to get there, and that's the point. We don't want to be there. We want people to come to farmers market and buy directly from the farm. That's how the money stays in the community. That's how we nourish people the right way. So it's just about changing our habits.
Yeah, exactly. So it's really on the shoulders of the consumer to, like,
To
essentially make the...
participate in
Yeah.
something so much better. It's a good choice.
And I mean, changing your habits and going like when we the thing we experience as a customer. Like if you have the habit to go to the Costco, man, I didn't like my experience
Yeah,
at all.
it was terrible.
Going to the market, I mean, it's so fun.
Yeah. It's relaxing.
It's like it's relaxing. You see the people that you know from your area, your community. You meet people. It's a fun thing.
Absolutely.
Going to a Costco, it's like, man, I can't wait to get out of here, like as fast as possible.
Yeah.
What I'm realizing also is that it's super expensive. Like to eat not super high quality is a lot of money. And where does this money go? When the money that went here to what you're experienced, the money went to Angie and what we do here. So the money stays, and so much logical.
And I think I'm very sensitive with the waste that you're getting, because you're putting money, as you said, you're putting your paycheck to buy grocery, and then at the end of the day, you're not gonna eat the rucola, the arugula. You're not gonna eat it either because it's past. It's just like, it's still $5 that you're putting straight in the garbage.
Yeah.
So this also needs to be taken into consideration, I think.
So you guys are great. Thank you for doing this. And I don't know if you guys are enjoying this, but proof's in the pudding. That's how we say it here. There's one thing that most people don't know, is that it's not just about freshness. It's also about diversity and cultivars. Like a lot of the carrots that we can grow, some of them will be tastier than others. And I also feel that that's part of the whole journey, and that's the whole Epicurean thing about small-scale farming, is that you have all these flavors, all these cultivars that are growing side by side, offering just more choice and more diversity in our diets. And I do feel that that's the future of farming. Whatever other people might think or say, that it's kind of backward, these small farms, because they're not modern and they're not whatever, they're not AI driven, whatever. Like the fact that what we grow is good, delicious food, fresh food, is the future of farming, because there's nothing else. This is it. And the beauty of it is that it's happening in many places. Hope it is where you are.